the massive row over the reportage from Manipur and the communal violence there, which was done by Editors Guild delegation which had visited there. Editors Guild has now moved the Supreme Court against the FIRs which have been filed against its delegation against the fact-finding team in Manipur. In fact, the Guild has sought protection against arrest of its delegation members. The Chief Justice agrees to give an urgent hearing. In fact, the Chief Justice will be hearing the matter today itself. That's a big breaking news which is coming in. Harish, what details can you share with us? What is their plea?
Yes, that's right, Meghna. Editors Guild of India has rushed to the Supreme Court saying that its fact-finding mission, the members are facing FIRs. 2 FIRs have been lodged against them, and they have been accused of stoking tension by flagging local media reportage of the strife as a narrow ethnic one, playing up to the biases of the majority Methi community. And the reports are coming, all the reports coming from there are biased, and because of that reporting, the government has lodged 4 FIRs against its members, and so the Editors Guild has rushed Supreme Court saying that they need to be protected from any kind of coercive action or arrest. Chief Justice, understanding the importance of the issue, has very significantly said that we will be giving you urgent hearing, and the hearing is going to happen any time now. Back to you.
Well, we are expecting this hearing to happen any minute now. Harish will be getting us, our legal editor will be getting us minute-by-minute updates. But you must tell us a bit, Harish, about the FIRs which have been slapped against the Editors Guild fact-finding mission once they went there. On what charges are they facing right now, and what is it that they are pleading? Is it going to be under freedom of free speech?
Yes, in fact, this is the precise issue being raised here: freedom of expression and freedom of employment, in fact, the Manipur government has started a police case against the president and 3 other members of the fact-finding team from the Editors Guild of India, based on an FIR accusing them of stoking tensions by flagging local media reportage of the strife as a narrow ethnic one, playing up to the biases of the majority Methi community. Remember, at a presser in Imphal, the Chief Minister Biren Singh had accused the EGI fact-finding mission team deputed to Manipur between August 7 and 10 of trying to provoke clashes, and said it had returned without understanding the complexity of the crisis, its background and the history of the state, and said that they were also to give a very biased report before that FIRs have been filed. Now the Editors Guild has raised the issue of freedom of speech and expression, and now the Chief Justice has assured a very urgent hearing.
Well, keep tracking the developments on that front. Just to give you a quick background, there has been police cases which have been filed against 3 members of the Editors Guild who were part of the fact-finding commission who had gone across to Manipur to take stock of the situation. The police complains that the 3 of these members have been about a crowd-funded fact-finding team. They went to Manipur and they were discussing and looked into the media reportage over the ethnic conflict that we have been reporting over, following which there have been FIRs which have been filed against them under several of the sections of the IPC, and this includes promoting enmity between different groups, such as using it true for such declaration, knowing it to be false. Also, the Editors Guild, of course, in its report had said that they are going to be backing this fact-finding team. We are going to be tracking the developments very closely. Thank you so much for joining us with all the details there.